Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking out the monitor frame so proportions read instantly. Use a cube scaled to a 16:9 outline or your target ratio. Once scaled, inset the front face by 0.5 to define the bezel, then extrude inward to create the screen recess. Add 2 or 3 loop cuts along the body to control silhouette and apply a small bevel with 1 to 2 segments to catch light. This early control helps when you refine shapes, so make sure the base proportions feel right before moving on. Once the block-in is solid, focus on the screen and stand so the model reads at a glance. Insert a thin plane for the display, slightly recessed, and assign a distinct material. Use an emission shader for testing or an image texture for final. Model the stand with cylinders and boxes. Use a mirror modifier for symmetry and booleans for vents or cutouts. Add a subdivision surface with creased edges and reinforcing loop cuts to retain hard corners. This balances smoothness versus mechanical precision as you refine. To finish, clean up the mesh and prepare for shading and rendering. Apply non-destructive modifiers in logical order, but keep a backup copy before applying. Unwrap UVs for the screen and plastic parts, pack islands efficiently, and use a 2K texture for close-up detail if needed. Check normals and remove duplicate vertices, then test a quick render with an H-dry to judge reflections. If shading looks odd, flip normals or recalibrate edge creases. This single check fixes most shading artifacts quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.